Welcome back to a new video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, but first, before we get into that, let's get this not so cold start. Anyways, today I need some motherfucking gas, but let's talk for a minute. How are you doing, guys? Hopefully you're doing good. I know it's been a little hot second since I actually recorded a video, or since I actually posted a video, but I have recorded videos, but I'm just not too fond of the quality of them, so I'm probably going to end up just redoing them or just not posting them at all. So appreciate you guys sticking by me. I see I've either almost hit 160 or I'm about to hit 160 subscribers. I appreciate that so freaking much, because leaving a like down below and subscribing with that bell icon on helps me so much more than you would ever imagine, and it makes me so happy, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But anyways, today's video was gonna be more of like an informative video, because I know, like, although my car is not really anything special, like it's not no Scat Pack, not no Hellcat, there is still a lot of people that are in the market for one of these. There's still a lot of people who want one of these, because like maybe you're on a budget or something, or maybe you just don't want to be spending that much monthly on a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. But for whatever reason, if you are in the market for one of these 3.6s, because if you didn't know, I only have a V6, then today's video is for you, because I'm right at like 30,000 miles, so I'm doing like the 30,000 mile recommended maintenance, and I'll let you know a little bit later specifically what that recommended maintenance is and how much it costs. Because obviously, if you want a car, you're gonna have to maintain that shit, and you're gonna have to do all the regular oil changes and all the other maintenance and stuff. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Give me one of these. I promise. We unintentionally came across the cars and coffee. That's crazy. Look, it's a red eye. Really? Look, they got a car seat in the front. Look, what you think about it?
Yeah, cool. Let me see, but
No. What?
that's just like a cover, or does it not cover? Whatever.
Hey, what do you think about this Corvette?
I like it.
2,000 years later.
This ain't that bad. Gas been going up though. 264, because this is just a V6 stock. It only needs 87. Anyways, it's later on in the day. Hopefully this lighting's good. Let me try and get this. No, yeah, that was better. But anyways, my apologies. I meant to show more of the cars and coffee, but we just had some stuff that we had to take care of, so didn't end up working out that way. But let me know if you'd like to see me bring the Charger over to like an event, because I will. But I got the answer here as to how much it costs to get the car. It's maintenance today, so let's talk about it. Anyways, this is a dealer that I get my car serviced at. Even though I've never bought a car from them, I love these people over here. Someone hit them up for me on my behalf and tell them I'm trying to review some of their cars. So I set up a business relationship. I would appreciate y'all because I'm trying to reach out to them, but they keep not responding to me. Anyways, let's talk about what y'all came here to talk about. Ignore the fact that it says my car is a Dodge Challenger. I asked them about that, but they said, I don't know, that's just what the system put it as, and the system has been messing up. So, whatever. This is how many miles I have. 30,721 miles. And I just got a oil change as well as tire rotations, which came out to the grand total of $66.13. So it's not really too bad getting your car serviced here, but yeah. Anyways, just wanted to talk to you guys again before I sign off for the rest of this video. But obviously we still got the Camaro, and I know I've been posting a bunch of Charger content only. If you want to see something Camaro related, let me know. I'll be more than happy to bring that over to the channel. If you got any ideas, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video on it if there's anything you want to see. Anyways, I think I'm about to hit 160, or I just hit 160 subscribers. Not sure, but I appreciate each and every one of you guys who are showing love to me on my channel. Let's get it on this road to 1K. I love you guys. Anyways, hold up. Let me interrupt again. Let me interrupt again. What would you guys think of this? Nah, just kidding. I gotta get a house first. So I'm trying to do, that's the main goal. But anyways, let me actually tell you why I interrupted again. I'm just here checking out my analytics and I came across this. 98.3% of you guys who are watching the videos are not subscribed. If you're already watching, you're probably enjoying. If you're already enjoying the videos and you're a frequent viewer, you might as well hit that subscribe button with that bell icon down below as well. You clicked it? Thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Anyways, let's end the video for now.